Morning, Steve in Chicago with the morning grain comment. Well, it's Friday, and baby, it's cold outside. And I think the first thing that the market is looking at is logistics, truck, rail, barges, especially barges, as the river might freeze. We have another even colder shot of air next Tuesday and Wednesday. So I think that in talking to our weather guy, he feels that especially eastern part of the country could continue to see below normal temps and below normal precip between now and the end of February. He also came out with a special report today, says that it looks like the odds favor that in March and April the Great Plains and the Midwest could actually see too much moisture as the pattern changes and go from an active northern jet flow to a more southerly jet flow. That could cause some flooding, and it could be an issue as far as spring plantings are concerned. As far as South American weather is concerned, it's still dry in parts of Brazil, still wet in parts of Argentina, but I think the perception is they're going to have good crops this year, especially in Argentina. The National Grain Council yesterday raised their estimate of the last year's wheat crop 8 million tons. They also raised the corn crop 2 million tons and lowered the soybean crop about 4 million tons. The reduction in the soybean crop is Brazil. The increase in corn is Europe and Ukraine, and offsetted a decline in Brazil. They also came out and estimated the next year's wheat crop at around 750 million tons, which is up from this year's 730 and change. So again, it looks like right now we've got plenty of supply. So it kind of is now more of a demand market, whether we can push prices out of these trading ranges. For the week, I know everybody knows it's been quiet, but wheat prices up 2 cents, corn down 4, beans down a penny, meal is down about $4, and oil's up 60 points, and oil continues to gain a little bit more of the crush margins. We are hearing that next week, when China comes into the U.S., they may extend the negotiation talks further. Again, I think the biggest stumbling block is the intellectual properties and the IT transfer issue. They are, though, maybe working on a grain deal that could include annual buying of U.S. ag products of $30 billion. I think that that market would rally on that news. I think farmers should have resting orders above the market, especially in beans, in case we get a rally on this. It could be interesting to make things tighter, especially if they buy corn and wheat for those markets. So, get your pencils ready, get on the phone, call people, tell them that we could see positive news late next week on the grain markets. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.